My credit score jumped 90 points in 45 days, and I documented every single move so you don't have to guess. I started at a brutal 612. That's the zone where lenders either reject you or hit you with 27% interest rates that quietly drain your wallet. 45 days later, I was sitting at 702. And the wild part is, I didn't pay some shady credit repair company a dime. I used AI tools and a system anyone can copy. Here's exactly what worked. Let me give you the context first, because numbers matter. A 612 score is considered fair to poor by FICO standards, where anything under 670 is below the national average of around 715. At 612, I was looking at auto loan rates near 18% and getting denied for a basic rewards card. The three things crushing my score were 41% credit utilization, 2 late payments from the prior year, and a thin file with errors I didn't even know existed. So I treated this like a 45-day sprint with AI as my analyst. First, I used AI to audit my 3 credit reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. I pulled them free from annualcreditreport.com, exported the data, and fed each line item into ChatGPT, asking it to flag inconsistencies, duplicate accounts, and items past the 7-year reporting limit. It caught a collection account for $340 that was reporting on 2 bureaus as separate debts. That's a violation. I had AI draft a Fair Credit Reporting Act dispute letter citing the exact statute, mailed it certified, and 19 days later both entries were deleted. That single fix bumped me roughly 30 points. Lesson 1. AI is shockingly good at spotting reporting errors humans glaze over. Second, I attacked utilization, which is 30% of your FICO score. I was carrying $4,100 across cards with a $10,000 total limit. That's 41% used, and anything over 30% tanks you. I asked AI to build a payoff plan against my actual cash flow, and it recommended the avalanche method plus a strategic move most people miss, requesting credit limit increases. I used AI to write the scripts, called 2 issuers, and got my total limit raised to $14,000 with no hard pull. Combined with paying down $1,400, my utilization dropped to 19%. That's a near-instant scoring win because utilization updates every statement cycle. Third, and this is the sleeper move, I automated payment perfection. Payment history is 35% of your score, the single biggest factor. One more late payment would have wiped out all my progress. So I had AI map every due date, set up auto pay for the minimums, and built calendar reminders to pay the full balance 2 days before each statement closed. I also asked it to recommend a credit builder tactic, and it pointed me to Experian Boost, which adds your utility and streaming payments to your file. That added about 13 points on Experian alone. 45 days, 3 moves, 90 points. Now here's the honest truth. This works because credit scoring is a system with rules, and AI is built to optimize systems. I didn't game anything illegal. I found errors, lowered utilization, and protected my payment history, just faster and smarter than doing it blind. If you're sitting in the 600s right now, you are one disciplined sprint away from unlocking better rates, approvals, and thousands in saved interest. The tools are free, and the playbook is right here. If this breakdown saved you from wasting money on a credit repair scam, do me one favor. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the Money Algorithm for daily drops on AI, crypto, and finance, and comment below. What topic do you want me to cover next?